Today I'm going to make an NPC kills leaderboard. It's right here. See kills, 0. Let's go get a zombie. That's an NPC. Brah. And we got a kill. All right, let's go ahead and kill this rig. Sweet. So I'm going to do 3 different weapons. I got the simple pistol, of course, right here. I did that in another video. And then we'll do one with a sword and then like with a slingshot or something crazy. Just so you can see how easy it is once you get the pattern. Let's go ahead and get started. I have an empty base plate right here. There's nothing in it. And the first thing I want to do is get the 3 weapons that I want to do this NPC kills leaderboard with. First one is going to be my simple pistol. And I'm going to have to do the most work to this because it's very simple. So I'll put this link in the description if you want to follow along exactly. This will say get model. You press it. And then once you do that, you can go to your toolbox in Roblox Studio under the inventory tab. It should be up here in the corner. Mine's down here. That's all right. We'll just drag that in. And we have 2 scripts. Yep, they are okay. We also want to go to the marketplace. Let's get our sword. Let's get the Roblox sword. There it is, buy Roblox. Yeah. Get that one. And let's get our slingshot. You put that like an airdrop. Somebody gets all excited. Oh, yeah. It's a slingshot. Bruh. All right, there's 4 scripts in that. Okay. Cool. Now we need to make a leaderboard, right? So I'm going to go down to server script service. Ah, here it is. Server script service. I'm going to hit the plus sign. I'm going to add a regular script. If you don't see it under frequently used, just do the first couple letters and you'll see script. Press it. Nice. And then you can call this something like leaderboard, or I like to call it game manager. I like to put all my game management stuff in one script so I can find it easy enough. So here, let's make our leaderboard. I'll make this bigger so you can see it. What we're going to do here is put a function that's going to add a board to a player when they enter the game. Right? And how do you hook that up? Well, down here, we're going to get the game.player service. We're going to capture the player added event connected to add board. There we go. See those 2 extra parentheses? Get rid of them, right? And then when add board's called, because you connected it to the player added event, player is going to get passed in. You don't have to do anything. That's a Roblox thing. All right, so now we're going to make a variable for the leaderboard. I'm going to call the variable name board. It's going to be an instance new of a folder. And the parent is going to be the player. It can also be a model. It could be a model or a folder. Now the board.name must be leader stats. All right. And then we're going to put a metric on the board. We're going to put the kills metric, right? Kills instance new. Well, that's going to be an int value like 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are integers. And the parent of that is going to be the board. Let's give the kills a name, and this is what's going to show up in the leaderboard itself. So I'll make that capital. All right, let's try it out. Now when we play the game, anybody who enters the game should see a leaderboard up here in the upper right corner. There we go. Kills, 0. Nice. In order to register your NPC kills, you're going to need a little bit of code on your NPCs. Let's go to our avatar tab, rig builder, and we're going to grab a rig, and it could be R15 or R6. It's not going to matter for this. We'll put this guy here, right? And then look for rig. We're going to have to put some code in him so that when the creator tag is attached to the humanoid and the died event is fired, we're going to be able to credit leaderboards. So rig, hit the plus. This is going to be a script. There it is. And let's call this credit kill or something like that. Whoops. Credit kill. We'll get rid of that print. And then we're going to get a variable for the character, right? Local char equals script.parent. Let's get the humanoid from the char. Wait for child. Humanoid. There we go. Make sure you spell that right. Humanoid. Cool. So the humanoid has something called the died event, right? And now we're going to connect that died event to an anonymous function where we are going to search for a tag, right? The creator tag. We don't know how to put those on, but some Roblox weapons already have them. So the tag is going to be on the humanoid. It gets added when you strike somebody. We're going to do a find first child and its creator with a lowercase c. That's the convention. All right, so make sure you write it just like that. And then if we find the tag, then we can credit the player who added the tag. The enemy player, the enemy of the NPC. So let's call him E player for enemy player. Right, so the E player is actually the tag's value. And then we'll get the E player. Well, there's leader stats on these players, right? We got our leader stats. And the leader stats have kills, which has the value. And we'll do a plus equals 1. And that means take the old value and add a 1 to it. All right, now our weapons, our Roblox weapons are already going to work. Right? We can already get the slingshot, kill him, get credit. The pistol, we're going to actually have to add the creator tag. Look at that. Kills equals 0 or 1. Nice. All right, let's get our pistol and do some work with that because that's a custom weapon. We made it. It's really simple. Oh, and I don't remember where it's at. Here it is. Pistol. And then in the damage script, that's where you do the creator tags, where you do the damage, right? So if we look at the damage, it's going to be here on shoot. Generally look for take damage. If we go to our classic sword right here and look under the server script, it says sword script, but it's a server script, right? Go ahead and open that up. And then let's do a control F and look for take damage. Oh, look at that. Take damage. And we have this untag humanoid and tag humanoid. We're going to need these two lines of code. Let's copy it. Control C. I'm going to go back to my damage script on the pistol. If you don't know where that's at, just look for your pistol damage. And then right above the take damage, we're going to make it a lot like the sword. Control V. Oh, look at that. It's complaining that I don't have some of this stuff. That's all right. We're going to add it. The humanoid that we're going to pass into untag humanoid is going to be the humanoid that we're going to do damage to down here, right? We're going to put the tag on there right after we untag somebody else. Like if we steal their kill, right? Like somebody hit them, boom, there's a tag on them. We're going to pop that tag off if we hit it after them. They're not dead. There we go. And then this player right here, I use lowercase. The sword, they used uppercase. That's good. So we got rid of a few less lines, a few red lines. Still got to get these two, right? Let's go back to our sword script. We're going to scroll up. Here's the script, right? Here's the functions. Tag humanoid, untag humanoid. Let's copy them. Control C. I'm going to go back to my damage script on the pistol. Go above the shoot. Control V. And they use capital. I'm not even going to change it though, right? I use lowercase for my function names. Now this debris right here, they must have had the debris service already declared. So I'm just going to say game.debris to get the debris service. Look at that. We got rid of that. That's working. Notice that this is a capital, but this is just the variable name. That's the name of the tag, right? The value of the tag is the player. It's going to have a time to live of 2 seconds. So if they die within that 2 seconds and nobody pops off your tag with that untag humanoid, you're going to get credit. Here, you're just removing everybody else's tags so that the last person who shoots him when he dies is going to get credit. All right, that's working, right? All right, before we test this out, let's go over to our base plate and let's get an NPC that can chase after us. We'll go to the toolbox. Then I'll look for drooling zombie. Drooling zombie. All right, this guy right here, he's a little bit special. So don't use the Arthro one for this, not until you're a little bit better. If you kind of know how this is working, you'll be able to figure it out. But just get a regular NPC, a nice Roblox one that's not the Arthro, or however you say it. All right, so I got my drooling zombie here. Remember, on our rig, we have our credit kill. We're going to right click, and we're going to copy. Go to drooling zombie. We can paste into. Now we're going to get the credit kill. Should we make another one? Control D. Yep, drag him out here. Let's play the game because we want to test it out on a few different weapons. All right. Get that, get that, get that. Oh, we got the pistol. Oh, man, that pistol's kind of hard. Nice. Let's see if we can get the sword. Yeah, we got 2 kills for that. And then we can go over to our rig. And I believe we tried the slingshot, but may as well try them all, right? Oh, we're getting hit with a weapon. Nice. I didn't know the Roblox slingshot did friendly fire. So we got our 3 kills. That's pretty cool. And getting to know this creator tag is really important because you might want to do this with explosions, assists, player versus player. I use the creator tag for all that stuff. I will see you in the next video.